Hey Bulldogs, today I'm going to show you how to open a lock. This lock is going to be very useful once we start entering the locker room to dress for PE. We're going to be practicing with these locks right here. You're going to have one in a few minutes. Now this is going to be the same process for once we enter those locker rooms. You will not need to buy one as your locker will already come equipped with a lock inside of it. So the first thing you do is you're going to want to flip it around and you'll see the combination for this specific lock. In my case, I have 34, 4, 18. And what I did is I wrote it down on the side for my reference. So now that I know my combination, I'm going to flip it back to its face and you'll see a little red dial at the very top. This is where you want the numbers to land on every time you spin it. Now, before we begin anything, you always want to reset the lock just to make sure that it is ready to take in your numbers. So once you spin it a couple times, you want to stop at your first number. In my case, it's going to be 34. So there is my first number, 34. Now, what we're going to be doing is the 3, 2, 1 method. And basically what that is the first number, you're going to get that 3 times. So 34, 34, 34. The second number, you're going to do it twice. So 4 and then 4 again. And the final one, you'll only do it once. So notice that my first number is 34. I went clockwise, so I'm going to go clockwise again. 34. Once you get to 34, you want to stop. And one final time, 34. All right, so now that I've done my first number 3 times, I'm going to go the opposite direction, which is that way, twice. Stopping at 4. Stopping at 4 one final time. And lastly, 18. I'm going to go the opposite direction again. Once you get to your final number, make sure you don't pass it, because if you do, you have to start all over again. Once I get to my last number, go ahead and pull it and your lock should open. If it doesn't open, that means you probably missed a step or you overturned it. But no worries, just take a deep breath and try it again. Don't forget that you always have to reset it by spinning the dial a few times around before you begin. Okay, this will take you some time, so don't worry about the time. Take a deep breath and keep trying until you get it. Good luck.